You see, Mark, you close the door, Mark. You close the door and we can't open it, Mark. We already tried it, but as we can see, the locker is broken, maybe. What should we do, Mark? Do you need help, Mark? You need help? Okay. We will help you, Mark. Wait. Spin it, Mark. Spin it, Mark. Spin it one more time. Okay, Mark. Mark, don't cry. Be man, Mark. We are going to open the door, Mark. Almost. Yeah! Good job, Mark. You are saved, Mark. Mark, look at me. You are saved. Were you scared? Huh? Were you scared? Mark, don't lock the door next time, okay? Okay? Mark, do you understand? Don't lock the door. You see, it's dangerous, Mark. Tell me, Mark, were you scared?
No.
No? You were not scared at all? Why? Are you brave?
No.
Yes, you are brave. Very good. Good job, Mark. Good for you, Mark. Let's go! Mark, let's go. Your granny has come, Mark. Yeah! Mark, are you happy, Mark? Do you want to get in the car? Get in the car. Okay.
Hello.
Mark?
How are you?
Granny, do you know he's stuck in the bathroom? He's stuck here. He closed the door. Yeah, but he did not even cry.
Didn't cry.
He did not. He's very brave man. Here, Mark, you're very brave. Okay, I will sit in the front. Spin Granny, Mark. Spin your Granny, Mark. As hard as you can, Mark. Spin, spin, spin. Woo, good job, Mark. Hold tight, Mark. Handles. Okay. Spin on the chair, Mark. Mark, look at me, Mark. Look at me. Can you look at me? Wow. How are you, Mark? Give me a hand. Whoa, be careful. Okay. Very good. What do you want?
Come here, Bob. Come here, Bob. Come here, Bob. Come here, Bob. Come.
Okay. Okay, ride with Granny, Mark. Good job. Okay, up and down. Up, down. Good job, Mark. Well done. Yeah, up and down. Good job. Yeah.
Ой, тихо, тихо, тихо.
Okay. Don't be in a hurry, Mark.
Baba, come here, Bob.
Go downstairs, Mark. Downstairs. Okay, very good. Let's run there. Let's check, Mark. What do you see there? Mark, you can't. You can't. You want to ride this car? But it's not our car, Mark. It is not our car. This yellow car is not ours. We can't take it. Mark, tell me, do you want to rent a car? No, Mark, you can't touch it. Mark, it's not your car. Okay, go ask. Go ask. Can I take your car? Go ask. Yeah? Go ask, Mark. No, Mark. No, Mark. It's not about car, Mark. Yeah, this one. You can ask him. Yeah, go ask. Can you ask? Go ask. Okay. Good job. Yeah, be careful, Mark. Be careful. Be careful.
Можно вообще?
Пойдем.
Mark. Okay.
Садись.
Okay. You see, Mark, you asked and you got a car, Mark.
Давай.
Be careful.
Нажимай.
Woo. Okay, go. Go.
3, 2, 1,
Go, Mark. Good job. Do you like this car, Mark? Huh? You got a car, Mark, you see? You came up to person and you asked and he gave you a car, Mark. This is McLaren, Mark. It's a very expensive car, Mark. Turn around, Mark. Whoa, Mark, you're driving a car. That's it? No? You want more? Okay, ride the car, Mark. Stop. Let me help you. Just put it on. Okay, good. Okay, good job. Do you like riding car? Huh? Huh? That's it? Woo! Park the car, Mark. Very good. Good job. What do you want to do, Mark? Huh? Mark, what are you doing, Mark? Huh? Mark, you can came up to the uncle and say thank you very much, Mark, for riding the car, Mark. It's heavy, Mark. Don't touch it, Mark. Okay? Mark, leave the car alone, Mark. Come on.
Подожди. Сначала, если ты позовешь, нужно
Okay, Mama wants to show you how you should open the car.
осторожно.
Okay,
Ты паркуешь сюда, назад.
drive here.